guys, Elia here. Welcome back to another video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the button. And I want to show you our new car. I don't know what it's called. I don't know. It's called Toyota and Corolla. This is my Toyota and Corolla. And look at this, guys. Oh man, this time it's so weird. 11 night, and this is, I don't know what it's for. Okay, let's check inside here, and this is for shift lock. I don't know what's this. PRN3D2L, and this is a brake. Okay, it's so strong. I can do it, but it's so dangerous. And I have actually Minecraft City Xbox One. And wait, let me turn. Oh, it's so hot. I hate this. Okay. Oh my god, there's so many stuff. Okay, make sure you guys to subscribe the button and leave a like. And I want to show you more videos. Try to watch other videos and subscribe to Armor Vlogger too. Armor Vlogger too. That he has 2 channels. Don't forget to like. See ya.